I am Professor Ranganathan, retired professor and head, Department of Chemistry, Mijora College Autonomous, Madurai. And for several years, I was helping both IIT and IIEEE students. Today, I am going to share with you some of the points in D block and F block elements. You are aware the elements in the periodic table are classified in the form of S, P, D and F block elements. As a sort of introduction, briefly I will let you know the difference in these 4 blocks of elements. Regarding S and P block elements, we find the differentiating electron enters the outermost level, which is known as the ultimate level. So both in the case of S and P block elements, the differentiating electron, that is very important, the differentiating electron enters the ultimate level, outermost level, namely S sublevel or P sublevel as the case may be. That is why those elements in which the differentiating electron is in the outermost level, either S or P, they are called S or P block elements. But in the case of D block elements, the differentiating electron enters the D level. But in the D block elements, which are also known as transition elements, the electron does not enter the outermost level. This D level is inner level. So it is known as the penultimate level. If we consider the F block elements, again the differentiating electron enters the F sublevel, which is the anti-penultimate level. That is 2 levels from the outermost level. So depending on the electron entering either the S sublevel or P sublevel, D or F, we differentiate these elements under S, P, D and F block elements. You are also aware of the fact that transition elements, which are also known as the D block elements, these are 10 in number. The D orbitals are 5 in number, each orbital accommodating a maximum of 2 electrons. So 5 into 2, 10 electrons are filled up in the D block elements known as the transition elements. Similarly, if we come to F block elements, F orbitals are 7 in number. Again, each orbital accommodating a maximum of 2 electrons. So 7 into 2, 14 electrons, the maximum number of electrons in F orbitals. F block elements are also known as inner transition elements. These F block elements we call as lanthanides and actinides. Of course, we notice that there are similarities between lanthanides and actinides. But at the same time, we also notice there are some characteristic differences between lanthanides and actinides. Similarly, we notice that there are some similarities between D block and the F block elements and also dissimilarities.